To pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of a history and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. There will win and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
A very happy morning to everyone. We the students of Grade-VII Topaz here to brought you news bulletin for today. This is Uma Mahesh here to say international and national news. International news. Sri Lanka declares state emergency. 132 members are died and 176 members are still missing. 6 international aid. Next, national news. Former Bangladesh PM Khaleda Zia reported to be in a critical condition. So further, PM Modi offers resistance for her. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone, my name is K. Kaushik from Grade-VII. Now I am here to tell state and sport news. State news. KTR to lead BRS protest against Congress government to reach 5 lakh crore industrial landscape. Sport news. King Kohli says that fitness is feel good factor for India duty preparation. Here we have a happy news for everyone. CM Revanth Reddy of Telangana prepares for football with Lionel Messi on December 30th, Uppal Ball Stadium. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Srilila here to say weather report. Maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, precipitation 20%, humidity 63%, wind speed 16 km per hour, weather partly sunny. Thank you. That's the end of news bulletin.
Happy morning everyone. Thought is brought to you by Manoj from Grade-VII Topaz. Thought. Life is like mathematics. Mathematics, never you can solve it until you understand it. I am repeating once again. Life is like mathematics. Until you understand, never you solve it until you understand it. Thank you. Have a great day.
Good morning to everyone. Word is brought to you by Anushri from Grade-VII Topaz. Word, frequency. It means the number of times that an event occurs within a given period. Friends, please spell after me. Frequency. F-R-E-Q-U-E-N-C-Y. Frequency. Thank you. Have a wonderful Wednesday ahead.
Everyone, I am K. Harshavardhan of Grade-VII Topaz. Today I am going to ask you some GK questions. Question for Grade-VII. Who invented zero? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is Aryabhatta. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-VIII. What is the average for first 50 natural numbers?
25.5.
Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 25.5. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-IX. What is the value for 40% of 600?
240.
Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 240. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Question number 1. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 2 into L plus B. Let us appreciate them. What is the formula for profit percentage?
P by CP into 100.
Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is profit by CP into 100%. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today's amazing facts are brought to you by G. Taram from Grade-VII Topaz. Fact number 1. 2 can be prime number and even number. Fact number 2. Pi Day is celebrated on March 14. Fact number 3. The natural number where 2 plus 2 and 2 into 2 are equal. Fact number 4. 0 has no numerical representation. Fact number 5. The opposite side of a standard
They always add up to 7. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am K. Manoj Kumar of Grade-VII Topaz. Today I am here to say speech on mathematics. Mathematics is a subject that helps us to understand world with logic and clarity. We use math every day, whether we are shopping or measuring or even playing games. It teaches us solving problem skills and helps our mind become sharper. From technology to engineering, math is the base of all modern development. We should study math with interest because it makes our life more easier and more meaningful. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.